Hey guys, this is Tony with New Image Auto Imports, Kannapolis, North Carolina, bringing you a beautiful 2019 BMW 740i. Love this color combination, gunmetal gray, butterscotch colored interior. This is a rear wheel drive 740. Give you a quick walk around. This has a heads-up display, heated and cooled seats. Just has just under 90,000 miles on it. If you guys need financing, jump right on our website. There's a finance tab that's there. You can also click the quick qualify also. We recommend doing both of those. Lets us get through your process a lot faster. Condition of the seats are really nice. Armrest in really nice shape. This is a smoke-free and pet-free vehicle. No strange odors. This does have the privacy shades in the windows, controlled by the buttons right here. Dual sunroof package. Does come with floor mats. The only real blemish on this car is right there on the bumper. But if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Direct cell number is 207-450-7722. You can also reach us right on our website, New Image Auto Imports. Or you can just stop by. We'd love to see you in person. We thank you for watching.